Hello guys, and it's going to be a night ride. I guys hope you can see anything because it's quite dark. By the way, it's about 9 o'clock. Or is bro just giving gas? I believe he's just giving gas. Let's see. I would love for bro to get some cardo and stuff. I believe everything is okay and it was just the gas bro gave. Yeah, it's probably the gas. Well, that escalated quickly. Guys, I have a hair in my mouth and I can't get it out. It's because of the microphone. Bruh. I will give bro the signal. Is the bro behind us friend or foe? Okay, snow. We have cold tires. Bro is here. Bro has a leg back bigger than I don't know what. And look, that weird with leg back too. It stands out. It looks like a saddlebag. Leg backs really look like saddlebags. Wow, that's strange. It's time to show bro what hyper nakeds can do. By the way guys, this is no street race, we do nothing illegal. Every now and then we go 2 or 3 above the limit, but we are legally. Sadly, I would love to guys, I would love to ride this weekend, but sadly it rains, according to the weathercast. But here in South Tyrol the weathercast changes every day. So yesterday it said that today should be a rainy day. It didn't rain at all. Maybe a little bit in the morning between 0 and 5 o'clock, but after that never again. So the weathercast is very unreliable in my country. Yeah, I guess thank you climate change. But yeah, today we have a night ride and it's a beautiful day. And why am I not listening to music? Alright, now the Ducati bro is behind me. Did you already see the clip where some styrofoam got knocked onto my bike? If yes, what did something similar happen to you? guys, don't copy me. Never ride without gear. Never. Don't be like me. Buy proper gear and ride with proper gear. Such a nice night. Perfect weather, like temperature, everything's perfect. Me, bro, and our new sis. Is the sis going away? Nope. The feeling riding with people for a long time, actually since my one friend stopped riding motorcycles. I rode a lot by myself. Sorry, exactly, it's closed here. Wie hast du es mit Landstraße Richtung noch weiter Süden neu? Ja. Dir gefällt es nicht? Ja. Dann passt, ja. Okay guys, so we are going to Neumarkt via normal street. That's why we are going to ride through the city. But beware, there is police. Police number 1. I should probably call my mother or my girlfriend that I'm not coming home for a little while longer. Ist voll geil auf Nacht zu fahren. And guys, my honk works again. Guys, I know the sound won't be that nice now, but how do you like the night ride? I believe it's definitely something new, something that people would like to see. If you find it nice, please let me know. I would love to get your feedback on this matter. Here we need to go to the right. And now we're stuck behind this guy. That Ducati really looks nice. But I don't know if bro knows where to go. There's a party. That's nice thing, I guess. Here is actually a club. It's called Life Club, but now I guess it's called C85, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I did go there only once and then never again. Alright. The problem is, as soon as one person revs, oh fuck, remote key. Oh no, it's gone. Okay, so after exiting a tunnel it gets quite cold. I believe bro got a little bit cold. He needs to ride back about 1 hour and something. Bro said he was fine with it. I think I'm going to take it back that mine sounds better, because this in the tunnel, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. I believe the Street Fighter doesn't get credited enough in videos. The sound of this bike, wow, 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 wow. I would need to put a very good exhaust on mine until I get that sound. What is bro doing? I hope you got me. Okay guys, we're at Brandsol and we will refuel at the next station, since it's one of the cheapest in the whole South Tyrol. Da war der eine, der alle überholt und dann rausgezogen ist. Okay, we're refueling.